So hello everyone, today I'm going to share these beautiful decor ideas that you can easily make. So firstly I have taken this cardboard piece in the shape of the leaf and I'm going to spread Fevicol all over the leaf first, like this. Then here I have taken these sequences. We're going to sprinkle these sequences on the leaf and let it dry. So after drying, I have golden spray painted, and then here I have taken this cardboard. I have painted this with black paint, and now we are going to stick it on the wall like this. And for the next one, here I have taken this plastic sheet. I have traced the butterfly on it, and I'm going to spread Fevicol all over it, and then we are going to sprinkle these golden sequences on the butterfly like this. So let it dry for some time, then we are going to just pick it up like this. We are going to take the extra sequences out. And now I'm going to spray paint it with golden spray paint, and using double-sided tape we are going to stick it on the wall. And this one is also ready. So for the last DIY, here I have taken this glass bottle, and firstly I'm going to apply Fevicol. After applying Fevicol, I am going to sprinkle the golden sequence on it and let it dry for some time also. Similarly, I have applied the Fevicol on both the sides, and I'm going to keep one light in it. And this decor piece is also ready. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.